You never go, baby, when you say you will. But I
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, we will be doing a accessory haul of my MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020. By the way guys, this is the continuation of my previous video, which is unboxing of my MacBook Pro. My first entry would be a power adapter case with cord winder and cable protector. So ito siya. Let's open it. Sorry guys, it's not ASMR. Ito siya. They have instruction inside. Later ko na siya i-assemble. The second is a Ugreen USB-C multifunction adapter. Nicely. It's really
They also have the instruction inside. Cute. Very minimalist. So, let's put them inside. The next one is our cutting mouse, which is Logitech Pebble 350. Ito siya is Bluetooth or USB. Para makonect siya sa laptop mo. Wireless ito siya.
80,000 impressions later.
Would you please stop imitating me? It is starting to get very annoying.
Ang cute niya and hindi siya slidey. Slidey, may word ba na slidey? Hindi siya masa-slide pag ginagamit mo kasi at the back of it may silicone. So, I really love this. Like, you see? Didikit siya. And then, ang lambot. And then, very comfortable. Yan, nare-relax yung wrist mo pag gagamit ka ng mouse. Very comfortable. I really recommend this, guys, for you. I leave the link on the description box below. And then, I've got a laptop sleeve. Very minimalist yung design niya, which I like. Very thin, and it comes with a pouch. And I like this pouch kasi very spacious siya. Like, malalagay mo yung charger mo, yung USB adapter mo, and everything, and yung maliit mo na mouse. And yung zipper, hindi siya yung pang chipipay na zipper, which is good kasi yung price niya very affordable lang din. So, ilalagay ko rin yung link nito in the description box. Next is I've got a Ugreen USB-C multifunction adapter. Ito siya. Very light, ang gaan niya, and very thin din. Kinuha kong color is space gray para mag-match sila sa laptop ko. And then, ito siya. But, may history ako tungkol dito. Sasabihin ko mamaya. So, later na. And then, I've got a very sleek mouse. Logitech Pebble M350 mouse. So, ito siya. Kinuha kong color is blue. Ang mga pronunciation na to, dira besh. Kinuha kong color is blue. Kasi, gusto kong mag-match sila sa aking laptop sleeve. Gusto kong mag-match sila, but sad to say, hindi sila nag-match. Like, this is a different kind of blue. At ito din, ibang shade ng blue. So, but it's okay. I really like this. And, very thin din siya. Very light. And, pwede siyang Bluetooth and pwede siyang USB. So, wireless siya. And, very small siya, guys. Like, ka-size lang siya ng palm ko. Which I really, really like. Very cute. Last but not the least, I've got a laptop case. So, ang ganda ng design niya. Very sleek din. And very classic yung design niya. Mga lumang stickers ng SpongeBob, Starbucks, Facebook, lumang logo ng Facebook. Very classy. Para sa akin very nice. Very nice, very classy. Wala na talagang ibang ma-describe. But yes, pero ito yung back. Pero nag-struggle ako sa pag-assemble nito, which is ilalagay ko sa video next to this video yung ko pero hindi pala siya naka-record. So, it's very sad. But tuloy-tuloy lang ang buhay. Char. So guys, see you on my next video and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video and please subscribe to my channel. Bye! Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. On today's video, I'm very disappointed of myself kasi guys, natapos ko na Pawpaw